Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you on how to create a folder in Google Drive. First, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. Make sure that you are signed in with your Google account. Now you will see the Google Drive homepage. On the left side, you will notice a menu with several options. At the very top there is a button labeled New. This button is used to create new items in Google Drive. Click on the New button. A menu will appear with different choices such as folder, file upload, and more. To create a folder, select the option that says folder. A small box will pop up asking you to enter a name for your new folder. Type in the name you want. Your new folder will now appear in your Google Drive. You can find it under My Drive. From here, you can double-click on the folder to open it. Once inside the folder, you can upload files, create new Google Docs, or even create more folders inside it to stay more organized. Thanks for watching.